Hey guys, I'm Mika, and it's our first day at vacation, and it's already downpouring. You can literally see it. Okay, let me go along here and show you what's happening. See? Yeah. A second earlier, it was very heavy rain. See? You can literally see the puddle it's making right here. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear, but it is still thundering. And maybe okay.
I don't think it's raining in. It's blowing against the window.
Okay, yeah, it's still thundering really loud right now. I'm gonna try to get close to this pillar right here to show you guys. Yeah. So, yeah. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye! Keep being yourself.